Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you watched my June goals and my May wrap up, I mentioned I was going to get this done for you today. So here I am getting this done. I really liked playing with that Capture Life Alison Krefft collection. Was it just last time? I think so. So I'm going to play with it again. I have these adorable photos. I originally was going to do this for Monique's birthday hop and the Topsy-Turvy hop. I just didn't get to it. So happy birthday, Monique. If you guys didn't see her hop for her birthday and her 700 subscribers, make sure you go check that out. I will have her channel linked down below, and Topsy-Turvy hop was a really good one too. So I was going to do this for that, but alas, I did not get time to record it. But I did get time to kind of pick out my stuff and get my papers ready. I just didn't get time to do anything past that. So I took already some papers that I had scraps of. So I used this, oh, I didn't realize that was on the back. Well, that would have been a pretty paper. I used this red on my double page layout I did. So I matted from some of the scraps these 3 photos of my niece playing with my son when he was really little. And then I trimmed down. This is 8 3/4. This black script paper. The back of it is the cut aparts, which I really wanted to use some of them. But at the same time, trying to use stuff up. So I really like the chevron as well. I like this blue in the back, but I really like the chevron. And I like that in this sketch for Tuesdays in the Attic today, there is like a scallop on the top. So I kind of fussy cut just the edge out just to add a little interest. So this is 8 3/4 inches wide. This one is, because I know sometimes you guys like the measurements and I actually paid attention to it this time. This is 8 and like 1/8. It's just kind of an odd length. Because then this one, it was like 2 3/4, but then I trimmed it because I fussy cut the edge. So it's like a weird 2 3/8 or something like that. So that'll go on here. This is exactly 9 inches by 11 inches. So the matting works out really well. And this is 12 by 12. So we're going to glue these down. And since my photos are different, I just kind of trimmed them down to where they would fit, honestly, on the paper and on the mats, the scraps I had. We're going to kind of arrange them like in the sketch. I just don't have a really big photo here, and these aren't smaller. So ours is just going to be like this, which is fine. And I actually might even, just to cover up that seam, might bring that photo up. And instead of putting our title here, we'll just put it right here. And we might just use this lovely sticker or this one. I'm not sure. Or this one. There's so many options. So many options. So we're going to do that. I kind of really want to use this too. Because I really like that little thing. So we're going to glue these down quick. And then I'll come back and we'll do some embellishing. I think we'll wait to glue these down and we'll maybe add, there's like a cute white frame in here. Maybe we'll add that somewhere. There's also this blue frame. I don't know. We'll play with the stickers and then see what else I have in my stash that we can play with. But alone, the sketch is pretty awesome. So I don't know if I want to mess with it too much. But let me get this glued down and then I'll bring you back. Oh, and before I do that, I'm also going to stamp. I decided I see that there's stitching around it. Around this yellow, I think I'm going to stamp. I was debating which one to stamp. I think I'm just going to do this plus sign in Versamark. This is Morning Mist. So it's like a dark gray, which I like because it's very similar to this color. So I'm going to stamp that around the edge of the yellow paper off camera as well. So we're going to do that and we'll be back. All right, so I glued this thing down here. I found a little speech bubble on the sticker sheet. We're gonna stick right there. I grabbed these puffies out of my stash over here from, I think it was the Sunkist collection. I'm pretty sure this was a Simple Stories collection last year. And then this is a Freckled Fawn chipboard piece. Just journal a little bit how our cousin Kelsey loves to make him laugh and smile. She's stealing him as much as her mom would. Make sure those stick. I think they are going to. Keeping it very simple. And then I figured I'd try to use up some of these. They're like little white, or like white gems. But they're not like glittery. They're like a matte white. But they have a shape of a gem. Ugh. But they have this. I think they were supposed to be, they're made to like, so you can do with a whole line of them. But I don't I want the whole line of them. So we're gonna put them, try and use some of them up. I don't know if that'll stick. Oh, maybe it will. Put 2 there and 2 over here. And then those bigger ones are gone. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah. I could try, ooh, we could just do a line on the bottom. That would look kind of cute, wouldn't it? Can I peel the whole line up? Oh yeah. Use some more of these up. There we go. Add a little texture. Then I just have this one line to use. That's good. Okay, these, yeah, this one's not glued down. Grab my jewel picker and my Nuvo. Just put it right there. Yeah, because that one got stuck down. I think both of these did. This one kinda. Well, put some glue down. Just in case. This one I can see the glue behind it. And this one I can too, so. Okay. Yep, add that little bead at the bottom. Should I just add 2? Or does that look stupid? Yeah, that would look dumb. We'll just leave that. Or do we add this one to the top? Let's do it. Let's just do it. Use up all the things, right guys? Use up all the things. Just to add a little something top and bottom that is not straight or centered. But it'll do. Yeah, there's my journal. I have the date on there. I've got some things used up. Got some other things from my stash used up. And I think, oh, I set these down from my little box here. I think that's it. I really like this. Nice and simple. Super cute. Not, like I said, not a lot to say. So, it's done. So there you go. I know. I should have had plenty of time to get that done for you all on time. But hey, at least it's only a day late, right? All right. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.